What is up, y'all? You already know how it goes. It's your boy B back with another video. I have not made a video in so long, guys, and I'm so grateful for you. Because it's partially y'all fault. Y'all the reason why I have not made a video. Because guess what, y'all? It's been so many orders and so many things working out and happening. I'm just so thankful and grateful. So right now it's raining, of course. I just got done dropping off some product boxes and I'm also about to package some. So I have my reps inside actually hand picking the products for the product box. If you guys don't already know, you can get a product box for up to 20, 40, or 60 products of random products that you can test and try and sell online. And from there, you'll be able to take advantage of my MERCARI automation where you can actually have a dedicated rep actually sell for you on MERCARI. You give us a budget. Budget's $50. We'll list 10 products every single day. You don't have to pay for the product. You don't have to do anything. You don't have to pay for the products, nothing. We will list the product, ship the products. All you have to do is sit back and collect the money. We don't want no profit. We ain't taking no revenue from anything that you're making. You're keeping the profit. You're keeping every single thing. So guys, these are things that I'm trying to do to continue to help guys make more money, because we have to make more incomes. We got to become more fluent when it comes to just residuals and when it comes to being able to make money. And I'm still flipping phones. Flipping phones has been really interesting because you already know that with the new iPhone 14, it doesn't come with any SIM card tray, which means it's so hard to unlock phones. So I've been dealing with that. I still am literally in the process, just like you, progressing and becoming better. And I'm happy to say, like, I am literally really excited for what's to come because things are just looking good. I was short-staffed because I couldn't meet demand as fast as it was coming. But now, guys, things are just looking good. I found a good team, I believe, a good solid team. So now I am just continuing to build. I'm continuing to go. And I'm glad that you guys are with me and supporting. And it's only up from here, literally. It's only up from here. So with that being said, I am going to be going back into the store. I had to move my car because, you know, when it started raining, people start doing things and people start hitting stuff, and don't hit my car. But yeah, so I'm gonna go inside. I'm gonna show you guys exactly what some customers ordered, and I'm going to show you the value. I'm going to show you exactly what products they got. And the reason why I'm showing you guys this is not because I want your money, because I really don't. I don't want y'all money. I just want you guys to get the value. I want you guys to know that you can do it. I want you guys to believe in yourselves, even though I know you guys believe in yourselves. Oh no, I came out with no idea. Oh no, I know you guys can do it. It's just all about putting in the effort, making it happen, and developing a plan. And once we develop a plan, it's the icy Dunny bun. We got this. So guys, head with me into the store and let's get it. What's up, guys? Thank you so much for tuning in, man, and still being here. So guys, we're gonna randomly put the order, which I already did, and guess what? It's order 1023, and it is Amanda. Thank you so much for tuning in. Thank you so much for supporting. Thank you so much for actually believing in the brand. She went to I Am Hustler's Mindset and she got 60 products, okay? Not 50, not 20. She got 60 products in the product box. The product box is a box full of wholesale items that we sell every single day online in our store as well, and we give it to you for a low discount price. So all she had to do is pay one price, and it was $125. She paid $125, and now she's getting 60 items, so she can actually flip on whatever website, whatever platform she wants. Okay, guys? So I'm gonna show you guys exactly what we are packaging up in a box today, so you guys can take advantage of it too. All right. So now, listen, we are going to go really quick. The Eagles about to come on, but I have to film something for you guys because I've been so busy. And I want to stop my time and show you guys love because you guys have been subscribing, liking, commenting, all of that, and I appreciate it. Okay. So look, we're gonna go right in. So guys, you get the S6 headphones, okay? S6 headphones. People still use these and people are still interested in these. So boom, we're gonna throw that in the bag. Then you got the Kicks headphones. Kicks headphones are still selling. You can get that and sell that somewhere really fast. You get these headphones. You get these headphones. Okay, and guess what, guys? This is one of my favorite products in my store. You got the Tech 21 case. Tech 21 case, you can find it in Verizon, T-Mobile, all of the really major stores. And anything you see right now, you can get at heattheconnect.com for a wholesale price. All you got to do is sign up on that. Sign up. So basically, you got to sign up for a wholesale account And once you sign up for the wholesale account, you go back to a product and you start to see the wholesale products and the price list right below. So make sure you go and sign up at heatherconnect.com, okay? Now look, you got the 2-in-1 adapter, okay? You also get screen protectors. You're getting 2 screen protectors. You're also getting a Supreme case. Hold on, B, no, stop. No, I'm not gonna stop. I'm gonna keep going. You also gonna get a Galaxy adapter, okay? You're also gonna get a lightning cord. So this is a Type-C to lightning cord. You're also gonna get gummy headphones. And these at my store, we sell them for $6. You're getting it cheaper. Also, you get a brick, so an iPhone, so a USB brick, okay? Also, you're getting a MagSafe charger, okay? Hold on, no, it ain't done. Also, you're getting a Type-C. Okay, guys, this ain't Type-C, this is Lightning. You're getting a Lightning, so these are Lightning headphones for iPhone, so you can actually get wired headphones, okay? So you're getting that. I'm not done. You're getting another Supreme case. I'm not done, Amanda. I'm not done. Then you're getting a fan that's controlled by your phone. Hold on, Amanda, I'm not done. Then you're getting a USB, You're getting a memory card, okay? It's been a long day, guys. You're getting a memory card, okay? Boom, all right, so getting that. Plus another brick, then another power cord. Then you're getting this is my favorite. This is what everybody needs. These are hot sellers. You're getting a USB-C charging brick. Then you're getting an Android charging brick. Then you're getting a Louis Vuitton cell phone case. Then you're, of course, getting a car mount. Then you're, of course, getting a car charger. Then you're getting another case. Then you're getting iPhone 7 headphones again. Then you're getting a MagSafe charger again. Then you're getting another MagSafe charger. Then you're getting gummy headphones again. Then you get some more bricks. Then you're getting another MagSafe. Then you're getting another charger. Then you're getting another. Y'all, if I said charger, that's the case. Now, I'm tired. I don't stop working, really. So y'all gonna have to forgive me through this, okay? Because I'm trying. But this is the case, okay? Then you get the, this is gonna be a USB cable. So this is gonna be USB to Lightning. Then you get a selfie stick. So this is an automatic selfie stick that controls your phone just at a touch of a button. Then you're gonna get another cord for your phone. Then you're gonna get 3 Galaxy cables. Then you're gonna get 4 USB to Lightning cables. Then you're gonna get 4 6-foot cables. Then you're gonna get regular iPhone headphones. Then you're gonna get a smart car charging adapter. Then you get some more iPhone 7 headphones. Then you're getting some Bluetooth headphones. Then you're getting this toy robot. And then another robot. How am I gonna pack this box? Then you get in the VR. Yo, get in the VR. Then you're getting a gaming system. I can't make this up. I can't make it up. If you guys honestly don't see the value in what I'm trying to do in the bigger picture, then I don't know what you guys are seeing. You guys are blind, but I know y'all not. But I'm just saying, like everything I put into play in my head, right? It's funny. I've been wanting to do this for so long. And it's like every dream and aspiration that I really wanted to do, I didn't act on it at the time. And now it's like I'm finally starting to act on it and make things actually come into being a tangible thing. And it's amazing because it feels so good being able to help you guys and also being able to see people flourish. I get successful stories all the time in my DMs. Make sure you follow me at Educatedhustler. And also I get them on the website. You can message me on the website. Comments, you can comment. I love it, y'all. You can also contact me at 445-500-9600, okay? You can place your orders over the phone at heatherconnect.com. You can get this same product box at IamHustlersMindset.com, okay? And guys, I'm just so happy that you guys, and you also are getting screen protector for iPhone camera lenses. I don't know what to tell you guys. Like, this is awesome because it's like, she's getting all of these products. And man, you're getting all of these products and it's like, you're literally going to be able to quadruple what you just paid. Like, dang. Not to mention, I'm just going to shout you out. Jace, you got all of these chargers. Order 1040. You got all of these chargers. You know what I mean? You got all these chargers. And guess how much you paid? Only $4.10 per charger. Then you got this. This is another Connect box that we gonna be packaging up. And that was only, how much did he pay? How much is in that? He's actually a client that we actually just developed a Connect business client portal for him. How much did the guy pay for his box? It's on the back form. $50. $50 got him this, okay, guys? And guess what? It's so much value in this. And I honestly have to tell y'all, if y'all not making an extra income, then I don't know what y'all doing. And guess what? I got a video right after this that I want you to check out. It's about the iPhone 14. Yes, I brought iPhone 14s, and I got a lot to tell you guys about them and about flipping them. So make sure you tune into that video, man. I am so grateful. I'm thankful for you guys. Make sure you guys hit that subscribe button. Make sure you guys like this video. Make sure you guys follow me at Educatedhustler and talk to me. I love y'all. You already know what it do, man. Peace.